Welcome to Alley in the Valley. I'm Allison Ball Kilmer. Alley in the Valley is a lifestyle blog about healthy, delicious food, all while staying on a budget. Homegrown cooking, down-to-earth living. Welcome back to Alley in the Valley. It is that time of year. Thanksgiving is right around the corner, which is the time to what? Give thanks, be thankful for your life. We all go through different things. We all have our challenges, but guess what? If you're here breathing with your health, you still can fight. Right now, I'm gonna do the very, very famous Ruth Chris sweet potato casserole. So it's really simple. Let me show you how we get started. It's sweet potatoes. I have right now about 5 sweet potatoes. You can make, you change it up in size depending on how many people coming to your house. We have brown sugar, white sugar, pecans, eggs, a little flour, salt, butter, and vanilla extract. So let's get started. It's a really simple casserole dish that I'm gonna put in my pan. It'll go in the oven. Super tasty, super good. Let's get started. I gotta get the potatoes on first. So the first thing we do, we're gonna just peel our potatoes, and then we're gonna get them in some water to boil so they're all soft and yummy. And then after they're all soft and yummy, we will mix them with all the ingredients, and that'll become our casserole. And then we'll put pecans on top and brown sugar and yummy, yummy stuff. Some people put marshmallows. At Ruth Chris, they don't put marshmallows. So we're gonna do a different version. Yummy, good. Let's get it cracking. So the sweet potatoes have been boiled, all right? And I'm gonna put them in this bowl so I can put all the mixture together to make the casserole. All right, they ready though. And if you have a big crowd coming, you always make more, put more sweet potatoes in and just change up the amount you need. We are going to add a 1/2 cup of sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, all right, a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. It smells so good, I love vanilla extract. Okay, we're gonna put 2 eggs. And I'm gonna put about 6 tablespoons, which is half of this butter, in. Okay? For our Ruth Chris, imitation Ruth Chris, sweet potato casserole. We're gonna mix it all up. Okay, I'm gonna spray my casserole dish so it doesn't stick. And you can use any kind of spray you want. I just grabbed my coconut spray, but you can use any kind. And it's gonna go in an oven, 350 for about 30 minutes. About 20 minutes, actually, really like 20 minutes. Okay, now we're gonna put for the topping. So we have the yams here. This is brown sugar, a cup of brown sugar. And I use coconut brown sugar. You can use any kind of brown sugar you want. Flour, a 1/2 cup of flour, pecans, and the remaining butter. And we're gonna make this mixture, and then this is gonna become the crust. Okay, all in my hands. All right, so this is the topping. The topping's gonna go on top of the yam. And then it'll all melt down when it cooks. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah. All right, so we are about to put this in, let it bake for 20 to 30 minutes, and then we're gonna have our yummy, imitation Ruth Chris sweet potato casserole. Let's do it. Bye-bye, baby. All right, so I decided that even though I'm doing the imitation Ruth Chris sweet potato casserole, I'm gonna put some candy pecans on top of it too. I don't know, you know what, here at Allie in the Valley, I always gotta do my own thing to add a little pizzazz to it. So while it's in the oven, it's almost done. Look at that, baby. Yum, yum. Just gonna add these on top. This is looking fabby-wabby. I believe my Ruth Chris imitation sweet potato casserole is done. Let's check it out with pecans on top. Some sweet pecans I added. Alrighty, let's do it. Woo, baby. Don't be messing with Allie in the Valley. Look at that. Oh my God, does that look phenomenal? I'm super excited. Okay, so sides are super important. You gotta have the right sides. Okay, let's turn this off. All right, sweet potato casserole ripped off by Ruth Chris. Ruth Chris, you better watch out because Mama Allie coming. I might have to come out with my own version of this. All right, it's really hot, so tasting it, I'm just gonna do a little bit because it's super hot. I need to let it cool off, but whew, it's bubbling. I'm not burning my mouth just for show. Okay. I've died and gone to heaven. This is heaven right here. This is heaven. Hot. Oh my God. Perfect. I can't eat it right now, but let me just tell you something. Get the recipe. Don't forget where you get it at. AllieInTheValley.com. Happy Thanksgiving. Ruth Chris sweet potato casserole with candy pecans on top. I added a little bit more. Super delicious, perfect, easy to make, great side dish for Thanksgiving or Christmas. More to come from Allie in the Valley. Oh, don't forget, if you like this, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. You know, you guys are watching my videos, not subbing. I need you to sub. How else am I gonna keep this going? Thank you for always being here and make sure you subscribe so I don't have to get you. All right, see you soon. Welcome back to Allie in the Valley. Okay, Thanksgiving is here and we need amazing sides, right? Because even though we love turkey and the ham, it's all about the sides, at least in my family. And they better be good and they better be delicious and they better be tasteful. So I'm gonna do one of my all-time favorites, which is seafood Southern stuffing. So good. But first things first, a lot of people make their stuffing with breadcrumbs and all that. I make mine out of cornbread muffin mix. So I gotta make the cornbread right quick. And when I make the cornbread, I'll put it in the oven, then I come back and that becomes my part of my stuffing that I put all the seafood ingredients. So in this, it's cornbread stuffing with oysters, crab meat, some shrimp, celery, onion, baby, you can't beat this. Let me just tell you, people call me up and be like, did you make your oyster stuffing? My whole family. And you know what? It's one of my all-time favorite. I love making it. And so let's do it. Let's get started. Okay, so I put 4 Jiffy box in of cornbread, and I'm gonna do 4 eggs right quick, because basically, each Jiffy box is 1 egg. So I put 4 in there because I'm making a big thing. So then the milk is a 1/3 cup per box. So I'm gonna do 4 of these. So we're gonna spray this. This is gonna go in the oven for about 25-30 minutes, and then this is gonna be the base of our cornbread stuffing. Goes into the oven, 25-30 minutes. Be right back. All right, welcome back. So listen, I'm making my Southern seafood stuffing, which is famous, trust me. In these parts of the woods, people know about my stuffing. Okay, so while the cornbread is cooking in the oven, I am just gonna dice up a an onion, some celery, and then I'm going to put the crab meat and shrimp in, and we're gonna saute it all down in, what else? Butter, baby. Yeah, yummy butter. And then when the cornbread's ready, we'll mix it all up. I'll put the oysters in, and it goes in the oven with some gravy on top, cream of mushroom. So super easy to make. All right, celery in. Okay. Shrimp, just baby shrimp I got from the store, cocktail shrimp. I don't know exactly what you call it, but shrimp. All right, so I have my onion, my celery, some shrimp. I'm gonna put the crab meat in here with butter, and I'm gonna saute this all on the stovetop before I put the mixture of it into the cornbread. So, okay, crab meat. Now, I'm using a whole stick of butter. Yes, I am. It's Thanksgiving. We're gonna saute this down. Okay. This whole mixture is gonna get sauteed down. Perfect. The cornbread is perfect. You know how they use breadcrumbs? I don't use breadcrumbs. I use Southern cornbread, jiffy cornbread. And these two mixtures are gonna go together, and that's gonna be the base of our stuffing. And then you put the oysters in, you season it, and we're ready to rock and roll. The seafood shrimp mixture is done. I'm gonna turn this off. First, I could just eat this cornbread with butter right now. I swear to God I could. Ooh, yum. I'm just gonna put, you see this cornbread stuffing I got from the cabinet? I'm gonna use the seasoning they have in it. And you can use the breadcrumbs if you want to. I might put a few of those in there just to spruce it up a little bit. But the seasoning is great because it's already, you know, a package of amazing seasoning that you use for your stuffing. Yeah. So, you add a little here, you add a little there. All right, I'm gonna use a few. I'm not gonna use this whole pack. Yeah. Then I'm gonna add, I don't even know if I have enough room. I'm gonna add the celery, onion, crab meat, shrimp mixture to this. Then the oysters, we're gonna mix it all together. It's gonna be really messy, but really good. I'll be right back. Shrimp, onion, celery, butter, crab meat, mix it in. Now I'm gonna put a tablespoon of brown sugar. Okay. Then I'm going to do a little bit of poultry seasoning. Okay. A little sage. Just to give it that poultry, yummy flavor. Then the secret recipe, cream of mushroom soup. Putting that to just mix it all together. I haven't forgot about the oysters yet. We're gonna put the cream of mushroom soup in there. All right. Then we're gonna really mix it. Just really mix it. All right, now I'm gonna start putting my oysters in. You can just, you know, if you want, I like to cut mine up to make them smaller so you're not getting a big, giant glob of oyster, even though I love oysters, but you know, I like them to be hidden I like it to be a taste here and a taste there. You know what I mean? All right, so my southern seafood stuffing is done. Look at this beautiful, yummy oyster stuffed shrimp, crab meat stuffing ready to go. But I'm gonna do something different. You know what, Allie in the Valley, we always gotta do something different. You can just put it in a regular pan if you want, but I am going to put it in a butt pan, just because it's gonna be really cute when it comes out. Okay, so my southern seafood stuffing is ready. I am so excited. This is my favorite stuffing, my family's favorite stuffing. It's so yummy. Let's get it, let's get it. Woo! It's your butt cake, okay? It looks like a cake, but I love it because it's just pretty. It still tastes like seafood stuffing, southern seafood stuffing. I'm going to put some sage around it that I picked from my garden just to make it look pretty. And I'm actually not going to dig into this in the show because I have people coming over and I want it to still look pretty. So I am not going to eat this right this second, but trust me, I'm going to eat it tonight, but not right yet. There you go, Allie in the Valley. Butt pan, southern seafood dressing. You get the recipe at allieinthevalley.com. If you like this video, what do? You hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly videos, different recipes. All right, see you on the next Allie in the Valley.